Alright, this is going to be a walk around of Hitachi ZX800 excavator. This is a pretty good sized machine. Let me start with some specs. It has an Isuzu, I believe that's how you pronounce it, BB-6W61T engine. It has a max digging depth of 23.8 feet, 454 horsepower, weighs in at 162,921 pounds, and has a 238 gallon fuel tank. Can rotate at 8.2 RPM, can travel at 2.7 miles per hour, maximum of a 5-yard bucket. And here we go. This is not included with this lot, I don't believe, unless they've changed it, but this is just another stick for this machine. There's a John Deere wheeler going by. But anyways, I'm easily distracted by that. So this would be a longer stick for this machine. And right now, this one's got a decent sized bucket, new teeth on it, still got the paint on them. Big old bucket, you know, that's easily 1.5 inch thick steel. You got wear plates back here. Lifting hook, another lifting hook on your quick coupler. Short stick, here's your boom on it. This one has double grouser pads on this one. This is just a very massive machine. It's actually pretty comparable in size to this EX1000 front shovel, which oddly enough, this machine was sold at the last auction, but it must have never been paid for or something. I'm going to try and find out, because it's still sitting in the same spot. So we're going to find out on that. I'm very curious. Back to the walk around of the Hitachi ZX800. Back here, I'm guessing that's your radiator. Big counterweight. It's a removable counterweight. Got your rails up there. Stairs going up. Let's see if we can't get in the cab of this one. Certification of new construction machinery for export, Japan Construction Equipment Manufacturers Association. It's got your model number and everything in it. It means it's foreign. Not a big fan of the foreign stuff, but almost all the excavators are. I think Cat's opening new plants here domestically, but I'm not sure what they're going to be manufacturing there. Seat covers new, at least. There's your coupler control, basic excavator controls, your key and everything's right there. There's your throttle. Your computer, basic drive, basically just like any other excavator, except it's bigger. Alright. Let me close this first. Now we're going to walk out here on our very, very narrow walkway. We're going to take a look back here. There's your two very massive swing motors right there, going up, all your lines going up to the boom, and your engine compartment. Is this open? I think it's open. There's your engine. See, it's straight through going down. But, yeah, that's your engine for you. Big old exhaust pipe, and then right here you have your counterweight removal device. It's basically just like a giant hydraulic cylinder to lower all of this down. You just got going down on this side. pretty much it for this machine. So thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And have a great day.